Good morning, good morning. It's MamaSenda. The next video that I'm uploading is when we have the big, the heavy wind
God,
storm we
Senda.
have here, and
Yeah, I
our
thought
fence
this.
fall
Holy
off.
crap.
And thank God nobody got hurt though. And
Wow.
The whole
then
thing.
after the fence
Yeah.
fall off,
Oh my
after 2
goodness.
days, our skylight. So here is the
Are we
video
gonna go
of
outside and fix?
how's our reaction when that happened.
Holy crappy.
Okay,
Our
here we
fence fall
go.
off, blown by the big wind. Now our Jessica cannot get out. Oh my gosh. Look at this wind. That's neighbors. Ay, ay, ay. It's a big work. When I look, I said, why? Is that the reflection of our window? But it's not. It's our backyard. The fence fall down. It's a lot, huh? No, Jessica. This wind and rain. You wanna tie that one, and I can come and help you. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. So we're not. You cannot tie that one.
No, the posts are so knotted and they just snap. They all
Hopefully.
stop right at the ground. That's where they all snap out. That's too bad. So it's all the way up.
So we need to let Jessica watch when she come out because there's.
Yeah, well, also, you sometimes have your dog in the backyard too.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing we can do right now.
No, there's nothing we can. I have, I go on a dog walk every day, and there's a guy that I talk to every day that he does fences. And
I remember talking to you like last summer,
yeah,
Yeah.
yep, we've talked.
The dog came in here.
Yeah.
They play like.
The next
Oh.
video is how I discover that
No,
our
you're
skylight was gone. So here is the video and our reaction. Because I supposed to brush my teeth and all of a sudden it's so windy and they have a sprinkle. I thought the shower is on, but it's not. So here it is. Our reaction
Gosh, our
when we
skylight
find
is
it out.
gone, I think. Did you hear the big kaboom earlier? I
I
thought.
heard something fall. I just thought it was the mirror. Oh my gosh.
Then the second part of this video is we're looking our skylight all over the place. We thought it was flying down from the sky, from the top of our the roof. So looking and looking and looking
Oh, okay.
everywhere.
So probably.
And it's more watch the videos. What we are doing here. All over the place, making circle of the house to the road, and it's the wind still so heavy. Looking and looking and looking and still so heavy wind. It's a wind, guys. We'll go backyard, side yard, and then we find it out that more lattice of the fences falling down. So that's another part that needs to be fixed aside from the fence. And I keep asking Andre where the skylight went.
This is the worst that I've ever gotten damaged, Senda. I've
look.
never. What's that?
More.
More what?
That thing.
Oh yeah, no, I see.
Oh.
And look at this, Senda.
Oh.
This stuff just all needs to come down. This is all.
Oh.
It's all shot now.
Be careful, that one might have some nails, right? Right. Don't step like that. Probably already flying somewhere. Hala. That's probably another one like ours.
Decided to go to the top of the roof at almost 10 o'clock at night, and it's still heavy
You
rain,
find it?
to check if the skylight still there in the top, because we cannot find
There. Look
down
for the
here below around the house. So
peaceful
we're
box,
hoping that it's still there.
skylight. Or the
Dre.
God,
Yeah.
the skylight
Did you find it?
just moved
Yeah,
like
it's right
4
here
feet
next to
away
it.
from
okay, good.
the area where it's supposed
So
to
what
be.
you want me to do?
And Andre figured out that he can put it back with a screw this time.
Are you still there, Dre? Oh yeah, I heard him.
Yeah, he found it and he's ready to put it back. And it's still too windy. And he climbed up there the rope 2 times, because the first time to check it, and then the second time if what material that he needed to fix it. Still too windy. That's our neighbor's tree. I thought it's gonna falling off. Yeah, Superman's up there in the top of the roof.
Sa babaw sa screw sa skylight na kuwan.
It's funny because he's so scared of heights. Plus with the wind. OMG.
Distansya gamay sa kuwan, may gani kay wa na buak.
There it goes. There's our skylight. It's not broken, thank God. We're still so lucky. Plus we're home, because if we're not home and it start raining already, and it's gonna be a big damage. But thank God that we're home and we find it out right away before it got wet inside the bathroom.
Screwing the skylight, but just flown by the
Life is good, thank God. Fence damage and skylight blown away, and it's all fixed. So all good. Thank you guys for watching. This is MamaSenda. Stay safe. God bless everyone. Bye bye for now. See you in my next video. Mwah. Careful, Dre. Yeah, it's good. It's raining now too, huh? Careful, be careful. Careful, Dre. Yeah, it's good. It's raining now too, huh? Careful, be careful.